Good morning, folks. Welcome to another edition of our Permafrost Beards videos. This is going to be another instruction video. This is going to be how to use our beard wash. Right now we've got it in two scents. We've got it in unscented and we've got it in the wood chip whiskey. We'll probably bring out our other scents here shortly. We just wanted to start with a couple of them. Some notes. We have some directions on there. There isn't much room, so we didn't put a whole lot on there. There's actually a nice little joke in there. You'll have to pick up the product to find out. Hopefully you think it's funny. What I want you to know is, because it is a beard wash, you need to swirl it around and shake it a little bit because it's all natural and these ingredients do separate. So you want to make sure they're all working together when you put them into your beard. So shake it up and then you're going to put a little bit in your hand. It only takes a little bit. It doesn't take much. This is really good stuff, so don't waste it. Don't squeeze like crazy. Have it go down the drain and then you don't get the value out of this that we're hoping you do. Once you get it in there, put this directly onto your wet face jacket. And then you're gonna work that into your beard until it foams very lightly. It's not gonna foam like a shampoo because it's not a shampoo. We didn't just put beard wash on a label of a product that had shampoo inside the bottle. We studied it. We determined what was gonna be good for your beard. We determined something that was gonna be safe to use on your beard every single day. I'm not gonna tell you not to use shampoo anymore. What I will say and highly recommend is if you are still using shampoo on your beard, please only do it about, maybe once a week. Don't wash your beard every day with shampoo. Your hair is different on your head and your beard is going to get dried out by that. The Permafrost Beards Beard Wash, you can use that every day on your beard and you'll be just fine. So let me know if you have any questions. Put them in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel. Let us know what you think of the video and head on over to permafrostbeards.com. Pick yourself up some Permafrost Beards Beard Wash and keep your face jacket on.